This is a certified pre-owned 2011 BMW X3. This crossover has a Steptronic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a technology package, the premium package, the convenience package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, BMW Assist, Comfort Access, a sunroof, heated seats, 12 strategically positioned speakers, xenon headlights, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, front side impact airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 43,000 miles. The BMW inspection process covers everything from safety to performance and general wear. Plus, this BMW is backed by a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty, and it comes with travel protection 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, even if you're not the one driving. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Classic BMW, your BMW destination for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at Spring Creek in the Tollway in Plano. We look forward to serving you.